Hello friends, welcome back. How are you all? Friends, today I am going to see what messages your person want to give you, love messages they have in their mind but they are not able to tell you. Those messages I am going to read today. So let's begin the readings. This one, these are the cards I am taking out. Let's see one more. This let there be closeness between you, but always give each other space. Love never claims; it simply allows and gives. This is a message your person wants to give. Hope you have heard what I'm telling. Time, you are trying too hard. Give it time. Your partner is telling you are. They know that you are trying very hard to get them back, but give them time because they need space. In this also they have told give each other space and give each other time. So they need time. So please give your person time if they are asking for, because they have got stuck somewhere, so they need time. Power, you instinctively know what is right for you and you have the power to say no to or to walk away at any time. This message, your person knows that now you have taken back your power and you have the power and the right to say no to them, and they know that you have the power to walk away from them at any time. This your person is realizing for sure. I am telling, this your person is definitely realizing. Deep in your heart you already know the answer. Do what feels right. Your person is telling you they know deep in that you also know deep inside your heart what is right and what is wrong. So do what is right for you. Know the answer whether a person loves or not. You know the answer your person is telling. This card is a balance. Love is not always about agreeing just for the sake of it. A great relationship is one that both supports and challenges. A person is telling that we should maintain balance in the relationship. It is not always about give and take, and it's not about sacrificing or agreeing everything. They know that it's not always that you have to agree everything what they say to them. It's always about supporting each other in challenging times also. If your person is going through challenging times right now and they are not able to come to you, they are telling you that please support them in this situation right now. Be aware of what you are projecting. For the qualities you admire in one another are qualities you both possess. Equally so, the qualities you don't like are also your own reflection. In twin flame journey, it's very common. Whatever your person is behaving, the same qualities you are also having. Because if they are showing ego somewhere, you are also having ego. If your person is showing fear, they are also having fear in you. If they are showing you attitude, definitely you must be having some attitude in themselves, because you both are perfect mirror of each other. So God is trying to tell you, heal those issues within you, then those issues will be healed in your person. So please heal those issues within you. If your person is showing you mirror, then please heal. Try to see what is there, or take some healing sessions from people, or you can take from me also to know what are your issues. Transformation, your relationship with one another is about to deepen. Love conquers and transform all things. Definitely they are realizing your love, and your love will transform them, because the love has that much power to transform a person. So your person will definitely transform and realize your love for you, that's for sure. Now see another card, what the person is trying to say. A person give me enough space. Again and again a person is trying to tell you same thing only. A person needs space right now. So if you are trying to bombard with them in the messages or something like that, or if you are sending them telepathically messages when you are going to come, this and that, then do stop that, because a person needs space now. Right now you love me the way nobody else loves, nobody else does. They know that how much you love them, and the way you love them, that thing they love it the most, because they know that nobody can love them the way you love them. They know definitely that. Your person is telling you respect my decision. Again they are telling you, please respect the decision whatever they have taken right now, because it is good for both of you. They are trying to tell you this. So please respect the decision and give them space and time. Again and again they are asking you the same thing in this reading. Again and again the same messages are coming. So your person is definitely asking for time, and they are asking for space, you can say that. Let's see what's the messages in these cards. See what cards have come. It was always, it was you. It was all my love. It was you. It was always you, my love. They always loved you only. They are telling you this clearly. Your person always loved you only. I do not want us to be in a relationship. At present, they don't want both of you to be in a relationship. They don't want. At present they are busy with third party, they are trying to sort out things, so that at present they can't be in a relationship with you. They are trying to tell you this. I really hate not communicating with you as much as I want. They really hate themselves that they are not able to communicate with you, or they are not able to text you or message you. They are not liking this same quality in themselves also, but they are helpless. That's why they are not communicating with you. Some people don't want us two together, but I don't care. They know that some people don't want you both of you to be together, but they don't care anymore, and definitely they will come. One more messages, I one more message I will. I want to dedicate a song to you. They want to dedicate a song to you. If you remember any song about your person, then you can think about that. At present I am thinking about the song in Titanic which was very famous. I remember that song only. You can think about that song if you want. I am been manifesting our connection. Your person is manifesting this connection definitely, for sure. So please don't lose hope, and if your person is not communicating with you, or they are not wanting you to be in a relationship with them at present, because they need time, because they are sorting out things. See, your person is telling celebration, definitely some celebration in future I see coming in your life or in your person's life. Maybe a marriage in a family I see. Suffering, definitely they know that you both are suffering a lot, so they realize that you are suffering. Greatest souls get evolved after a lot of sufferings. Divine is telling definitely after sufferings only, and you become an gold. So you have to go through the sufferings, because you are pure soul. You have to go through those tests of time and divine tests. You can say that. Free will, you give your free will to Baba and not your desired script. Leave everything on divine. God is telling leave everything on them and surrender completely. Then all your desires will be fulfilled. Don't impose your desires on God. They know everything, but don't impose your desires on God or universe, anything. They completely have faith on God and leave everything on divine. Three magics: have good thoughts, good words, and good deeds, as this will come back to you sooner or later in the life. So God is telling you definitely have good thoughts about everyone, not only about yourself or your person, even the third party. Don't say bad things about them. Don't create bad karma. Good words, you need to say good words only. I try to be as soft as possible and do good deeds. Help others, do soul purpose. Some, if many of you have realized your soul purpose, and start doing the soul purpose also, as this will come back to you sooner or later in the life. This is a message universe is telling you. Hope you are getting message what a person is trying to tell you. One more message: see, guilt, trickery, and passion. Faith, have faith. Universe is telling you to have faith, and definitely a person is guilty about whatever they have done to you, or they are not communicating with you. They have a lot of guilt in them, and whatever trickery they did with you, or whatever trickster, you can say, sorry, trickster things they applied to you, they are definitely guilty about you, about this, and they are definitely passionate about this relationship. Your person wants to tell you. Oh friends, you got some messages what your person is trying to tell you and universe is trying to tell you. Thanks for watching.